In the world of UFO investigations, few names are as controversial as Richard Doty. A former special agent for the Air Force Office of Special Investigations, Doty had a 20-year career with the Air Force. Doty is known for his role in spreading disinformation about UFO cases and conducting surveillance on UFO researchers. He is admitted to attending UFO conferences on assignment, mingling with attendees, and even disseminating false information. Despite his controversial past, Doty maintains that his interest in the UFO subject is legitimate and that he is now free to speak about certain programs he saw while in the military. Doty served twice at Area 51 as a counterintelligence officer, where he was involved in protecting legitimate national security programs. But the question remains, how much of what Doty says can we trust? And how much is a continuation of his past in disinformation? Richard Doty, honest investigator or agent of deception? You decide.